Hi, this is Margie from the Earth Heals. Today we're making onion and honey cough syrup. Onions and honey combined for a powerful home remedy that is ready to use in just 24 hours. Honey is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and is a powerful antioxidant. Onions also are an antioxidant. They fight inflammation in the body, help to clear mucus, and contain electrolytes. You will start with a sterilized mason jar. Then you will dice an organic onion and you will add it to the bottom of your jar. You will then add a layer of organic local honey. You will repeat the layers until you have enough to last the season for your family. You will see that this remedy will begin to work after only 1 hour. It will have worked its magic in just 24 hours. You will store your jar of cough syrup in your refrigerator for 24 hours. Be sure to flip it up and down occasionally to help the onion infuse into the honey. After 24 hours, you will carefully strain the onions from the honey. It has now formed a syrup. You will notice that the consistency is a lot thinner. I like to reserve the onions to use as a flavorful and healthy addition to salad dressings. I want to thank you so much for joining us on our first home remedy series. I can't wait to share more with you. I hope you stay healthy, friends.